Hello guys, welcome back to another Legend. Today we are back here with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, today we are in a place called Gallows Corner in East London, and yeah, there's a construction thing happening here, so I thought I'd get a drone flight of it. So without further ado, let's take off. So it was literally sunny the whole day, and as I come here it's cloudy. Big cloud has come, but I think it's going to get sunny in a minute, so it should be good. Get a nice 360 tour of the area and get 360 degree photo. I have to come in this little open area, so I get a nice shot of the plate area down there, which is the construction's happening. It should be down there. There's a construction, a little bridge being constructed. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go near it, then I'm going to do the 360 photo after. We're going to do 360 photo in that area where the construction is. Should get sunny soon. Looks like a major construction. Let's get a 360 photo now. Alright, 360 photo is now complete. We're now just gonna zip around now. Let's get a tour of the construction. It's crazy, this video will be a timeline, so of course people will see this in probably a few years time, and they'll be like, there's a construction here in October 2025. So this is October 2025. Looks like a major construction. This probably might take months. So I usually do flats around London, and I thought I'd come here because there's a construction in this area. So it's quite interesting. They're building a new bridge. There was a big bridge here that goes across the roundabout, but they're changing it with the new one. It's actually a major construction. So the sun's coming out now. Let's get a shot of the sunny area first. Look at that. Get a shot of this neighbourhood as well. We're going to go into this area down there. Get a tour of this place. Look at the autumn colours. Get a shot of this as well. To be honest, we want to get a shot of the main area, so I want to get a shot of the main area of Gallows Corner. So see, it's a really calm day today. Like, it was actually windy and cloudy for the past few days, but today we actually get good weather, because literally tonight there's going to be a storm and it's going to pan across for the next few days. So that's why I thought I did a drone flight today, definitely, because otherwise I'd miss out on this opportunity. This is the only day I can do a drone flight for a while. Let's go to the eastern area. So I've done a few drone flights in this part of London. I think I should fly in this part of London more, because it's literally far East London on the outskirts. So we get a shot of that bus going down there. Look at that autumn colour. No, let's go with sunny now. I'm gonna get a nice sunny shot of the roundabout as we go back. And I'm gonna try and get low down shots as well. I'm just gonna bring my bikes to the place where we can hopefully get horizon. Hopefully we can see the drone a lot better, because I didn't bring my DJI mic today. I've literally forgot it. I usually put it in my camera bag. I switch it between my camera bag and my drone bag, but I've left it in my camera bag this time. So see, where I take the drone, it gets cloudy in that area, which is actually really annoying. So where's the drone now? It's right there. So what we can do, we can get a nice orbit shot of the Gallows corner. Get a nice top down shot. Then what we'll do, we'll get a nice shot of the top of the roundabout. See, this is where the construction is happening. Looks like a major construction. See, wherever I take my drone, it's literally not sunny. But it's not that much of a problem. Let's go to the far end of where the construction is happening. So this is where the construction actually starts. It starts in this area. The whole road is closed off in this area. We'll go down here. This area is closed off, literally. You know, if I wanted to, I could have actually taken off my drone in this part of the road. You know what? Maybe in the future I might do a follow-up video where I actually see the progress of this construction. So maybe next time I can actually fly in this area, because there's literally no one there. So look at that. What I could even do, I could literally just fly in that area. There's a lot of open areas which I found. I only found this one before coming here, but now that I've got some aerial shots of this area, I know where there's more places to actually fly from. Look at that, actually amazing, look at that. This is as of October 2025. Look at that nice shot. Got KFC down there, we got big construction happening. We'll go down there. We'll go down to this side of the construction. Look at that major construction there. To be honest, I think this place is the best place to fly from because you get a view of everything. Look at that. You've got this area down there. You've got the Elizabeth line and the far corner, far right corner. Look at that. Nice shots of the area. So you got Tesco there as well. Even got McDonald's right below us. Let's see. McDonald's right there in this area. It's actually warm for October, literally late October. Get a shot of this Tesco car park. Let's get a nice static shot of it. Look at that. Get a nice static shot of this car park. That looks really professional. Getting cloudy in this area now. Let's find where it's sunny. Go down to this area down there. Just look, there's another mini construction happening in this area as well. So what else have we got here? We got EFS air. What else have we got? We got a lot of areas down here as well. We got shut down this area. Get a nice shot of this area down here. I mean, there's nothing really special down there, just the industrial area. I want to get a main shot of the actual construction again. To be honest, we've got a shot of that area, already, so that's why I'm getting shots in a different part of Gallows corner. Let's follow the bus back to where we are. I like these autumn colours, they look really nice. Then we got, let's get a shot of the construction while it's sunny right now. Afterwards we're just going to land the drone now. Let's get a nice static shot of this little roundabout. Stay there for a bit, just see what's happening down there. I haven't really got a low down shot in this area. Let's get a low down shot. And we'll come back at the same time. Look at that shine. Alright, let's come back now. I want to get a shot away from the sun, so look at that. I'm going to land it right here. Right, that drone flight was amazing. I hope you enjoyed that drone flight, because this is like a timeline. This will only happen once. It'll be like a timeline for my YouTube channel and for YouTube potentially. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this drone flight of mine, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.